How to fix TikTok video resolution is not supported at this time. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix the TikTok video resolution is not supported at this time option or problem popping up at your screen while you're trying to upload the video. Now, if you use the in-app record feature to record videos on TikTok, you don't have to care about the TikTok video resolution. But if you want to upload your own video to TikTok, you should pay attention to TikTok video resolution. Otherwise, you may suffer from the TikTok video resolution is not supported at this time problem. Now, TikTok only supports video resolution up to 1080p HD. Now, if you try to upload a video that has a high resolution than that, then you'll get the option or the problem saying TikTok video resolution is not supported. What you would want to do is, if the video resolution is 1080p, you would want to reduce the resolution of the video to 1080p or lower. Now, to do so, you can head into App Store, and if you have the editing option in your phone, then you can always edit your resolution from there. But if not, you can try downloading this app called CapCut. Now I'll give you this option. Now go ahead and install this CapCut video editor, and there what you want to do is load up your video, and then while you save the video on your device, you'll get an option to choose the resolution of the video. Now set it to 1080p or lower, and then go ahead and upload your video to TikTok, and it will fix the issue and you won't get the pop-up saying the resolution is not supported anymore. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.